Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're in Manchester Airport and we are waiting for the train to come. Okay, so we are in the platform and waiting for the train. Okay, so let's wait for the train to come. And we're taking the train to London. And now guys, the train is coming. Look, the train is coming. Wow, look at that. It's coming. Oh wow, look at that. It's here. Okay, so let's get on the train. Now we're in the Piccadilly station in Manchester, okay? We are going to take that train because we take the train from Manchester Airport to Piccadilly station, okay? So now let's get on the train.
London Euston. Calling at Stockport, Wilmslow, Crewe, Stafford.
And now we're on the train to London. And now the train is moving, look. Now we already arrived Euston Station in London. And now we're on the subway waiting for the train. And now the train is coming. Look. Get on the train. Okay, we're on the train. And now we got the hotel. Already, so let's go to the room.
What is the room number?
So we are in the hallway in the hotel. So our room is 517. This is 517, okay? And I'm going to insert the card here. Okay. And wow, look at the room. Looks very beautiful. Wow. Do you think it looks cool? Okay, I'll show you what's in. And here's the bathroom. Okay. We got sink and toilet and a shower. Okay. And here's a TV. Okay. And thanks for watching my video. I hope you liked my video, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel and comment me down below. And thanks and bye.